Just like mechanical keyboards attract gamers and typists with their precision and comfort, water socks have become essential for beachgoers, swimmers, and outdoor adventurers. They protect your feet from hot sand, sharp rocks, and slippery surfaces while delivering comfort and durability. List number: Sequay water shoes, men, women, adult, quick-dry, aqua sock, barefoot. The Sequay water shoes are a versatile, lightweight option that combines the functionality of a shoe with the comfort of a sock. Designed for both men and women, they feature a quick-dry, breathable upper and a durable rubber sole that provides traction on wet and uneven surfaces. They're ideal for beach outings, swimming, kayaking, or even light hiking. The snug fit and barefoot feel make them perfect. List number: Witten Women's Multi-Purpose Feather Water Shoes Plus Thick Sole. The Witten Women's Water Shoes offer a stylish yet durable design tailored for women who want both function and fashion. Featuring a thicker sole for extra protection and cushioning, these shoes excel on rocky beaches and slippery poolsides. The breathable mesh upper dries quickly while keeping feet comfortable. Whether you're at a yoga session on the beach or exploring tide pools, list number: Waterlevs water shoes, men's, women's, barefoot beach swim shoes. The Waterlevs barefoot water shoes are a budget-friendly and highly popular choice for all ages. Lightweight, flexible, and quick drying. They feel like a second skin while protecting your feet from cuts, hot sand, and slippery surfaces. Available in countless colors and designs, they suit everything from swimming and water aerobics to yoga and surfing. They're also easy to pack and maintain. List number: XU Kerr Neoprene Water Socks 3mm Sandproof Beach Volleyball Socks. The XU Kerr Neoprene Water Socks are a more rugged choice for colder waters or high-impact activities. Made with 3mm neoprene, they provide insulation and keep your feet warm in chilly water. Their sandproof and snug design makes them great for beach volleyball, snorkeling, or diving. The reinforced sole offers solid protection against sharp rocks and coral, while still maintaining flexibility. List number: Waterlevs Women's and Men's Kids Water Shoes Barefoot Quick Dry. The Waterlevs Aqua Socks for women, men, and kids stand out for their inclusive sizing and family-friendly appeal. Lightweight, easy to slip on, and quick to dry, they are perfect for everything from yoga and surfing to poolside lounging. The breathable fabric ensures comfort, while the sturdy sole offers protection from heat and abrasions. With sizes for everyone in the family.